Hi there, welcome back to my channel. So this is Daman here from daman-parhat.com. Welcome to Kingpin Review. So Kingpin is launched today in November 7 by Max and Jake Bill. And then the Kingpin is basically, this is a software and training. Okay, so that will help you to monetize from the Pinterest platform. So as you can see here, right now I'm inside the members area of the Kingpin. Okay, so right now you can see there is a inside the Kingpin there is a two software and extensive traffic training. There's a two software, one is for page builder and the another one is for the traffic software, then the extensive traffic training which is for Facebook solo ads. Okay, that will help you to start monetized from the Pinterest platform quickly. Okay, so in the introduction section here in the there is a Max is giving you the welcome for in the Kingpin and giving you the overview and how it works, and he's just explaining you about the what is the power of the mindset. And then the next one is for the Kingpin Premium Page Builder software and traffic software. Here they are just showing you how you can register, how you can start build the page just to have some more traffic. Okay, and there next they're just showing you how to or from where to find to promote offers, how to get the maximum traffic or maximum advantage from the Facebook. Okay, and then solo ads talks about the solo ads and explaining the power of bonuses. And this is the upgrades which I will show you in my members area. What are the upgrades they are offering you, and unannounced bonuses and much more. So as you can see here, the Kingpin, this is the powerful training and software which will help you to start monetize quickly. So if you're interested, then just stick with me because now I will be showing you my custom made bonuses which I'm offering you completely free. Again, link is given below the description. You can go and help yourself and grab the link. Okay, so now let's go and start see what are my bonuses. So that this is the Kingpin, this is a mass promote any link to the biggest bar platform of 2021 and see how it makes them for $241 per day passively. And the Kingpin is basically a powerful Kingpin software and training module which beats the Pinterest algorithm and tap into the massive traffic source of 454 million monthly users. Okay, most of which are hungry buyers looking to spend. Also, this comes with the page builder so the customer can start earning straight away, not pay expensive monthly fees. Okay, so I will come back to this prices. Let's see the bonuses. So this is my custom made bonuses which I'm offering you completely free. Those will be picking the Kingpin by my link which is given below here in the description. So the bonus number one, I'm offering affiliate marketing magic. Affiliate marketing magic, this is the course info training step by step which will help you to reveal the secrets to affiliate marketing success. You will find 15 times completely free traffic generation method inside this training. Bonus number two, I'm giving you the training which will reveal the unique method to turn $10 to $250 over and over again by flipping domain. Bonus number three, and this is the giving you away the TweetX. Okay, so this is a software plus info training which will help you to automate the traffic on Twitter plus bonus page generator software. And bonus number four, this is lazy traffic sniper. So this is the training brand new solution for finding and monetizing free buyer traffic from LinkedIn. Okay, and it helps to getting real buyers and turning them into the profit. So these are my four bonuses which is very powerful. Okay, and this there is a over the shoulder video training is given. Okay, so this is I'm giving you completely free. Again, the link is given below, or you can just click here anytime to secure your copy and your bonuses. When you will click here to secure your copy and your bonuses, then this will take you to the sales page from where you can just get the instant access. And the bonus number five, this is special vendor bonuses. I will show you this also now. So okay, so when you will click here, it will take you to the sales page. Okay, so now let's go to the sales page. So this is the sales page of the Kingpin. When you will go there, you will find the coupon for if you will use 4 off Kingpin. Okay, then you will find get the off, and the Kingpin front end it will be for $13 only. So okay, so this coupon is valid for the launch period. So just hurry, just go and grab the coupon and get the discount for 25% and get in $13 front end for the Kingpin. So again, Kingpin, this is a one simple trick that taps into limitless free buyer traffic and improve your conversion by over 300%. And plus the first 100 customer will also get the gift, the secret to making 10,000 in 30 days, which is like worth almost $300. So you're getting free. So other than that, you will in the Kingpin, you will get access to pool of over 3.8 billion buyers. This is unique pandemic proof technology. Unlock the access to limitless free traffic, easy over the shoulder training to walk you through every step of the success. It works definitely in any niche, completely newbie friendly. Okay, and it has comes with the page builder, okay, which takes you commission to the next level, and plus there's a 30 days money back guarantee. Again, you can just click here to get the instant access to the Kingpin. So again, this is the income proof they have given, those have used, and this is the testimonial. Okay, here's the Randy from USA, Jan from UK, and this is me. I'm very grateful. Okay, I use this Kingpin because the Kingpin, because as a housewife, I basically with the kids having not much time, but this Kingpin, this training, it is very simple with the over the shoulder all these videos, and helps me to set up my commission and monetized from the Pinterest. Okay, so thank you, Kingpin. So again, anytime you can just click here to get the instant access. Okay, so here I will be showing you the what is the Kingpin is more about, and plus the vendor bonuses, right? So again, they said the Kingpin is a simple to use newbie friendly piece of software that can take all of these problems away and leaving you free to make money whenever you want. Okay, so and these are the bonuses which they are giving you completely free when you will pick the Kingpin. Again, link is given below in this description. So the bonus number one, how to make money on Fiverr. Okay, so they plus they have given you $25,000 case studies also. This is for $297 worth, but you are getting free. Bonus number two, traffic on tap. And this Kingpin software and this sorry, traffic on tap, this bonus software will allow you to get the quality traffic. Okay, and then again this is also 297, but you are getting free. Bonus number three, how to optimize your conversion, right? And bonus number four is 7 methods of making money online today. And then again, this is the bonuses, and here is everything what you are getting today. I will come back to this, but first let's go and see the prices and upsell. So this is the front end price for $17, but you will get the 4 off 25% discounts, and it's $13. So front end you will get the access to the powerful Kingpin software and training module, plus the vendor bonuses which I shown you now, and plus my custom made amazing wonderful bonuses. Again, the link is given below in this description if you want to go and grab it. Upgrade one, which is pro plus advanced training, for $37, but downsell you will get for $27. Okay, with this pro, all the limitation is lifted with pro version. Okay, plus they are offering you the advanced training. Bonus number two, giveaway bundle for 47, but you're getting for 37 in downsell. So and they said with this you can maximize your sales and commission by grabbing the bonus bundle. They are giving you 30 high quality bonuses to give you away to your list to and start having 5 times your sales. Upgrade 3, which is for Kingpin, done for you for $67. So done for you, you will get the 20 done for you commission gorilla page. Okay, so plus you will get the your like pre-approved products, high converting variant plus product, email sequence done for you, Facebook templates, and plus solo ad funnels and follow-ups. Upgrade 4, traffic on tap for $47. With this you can you can have the put the pixels on their future sales pages and steal their traffic. And upgrade 5, $47 for downsell, you can get the reseller right to the Kingpin software. And upgrade 6 is the launch product for $27. So here you will see that they're giving you the training exactly how you can just start your launching your own product and much more. And here are some other key benefit which you may be interested in getting in. Again, if you are interested, you can just click here to secure your copy and your bonuses. Okay, so going back to the sales page, so here is everything what you're getting today. Kingpin, you're getting conversion optimizer, software training, Kingpin 24/7 priority support, 30 days money back guarantee, and these are the 4 bonuses. And plus you're getting my 4 bonuses, okay, which is amazing custom made bonuses. And again, this is everything for almost $3,000. But in front end today, one time only, no monthly fees, you're getting for $13. You can click here to get the instant access now. So again, on top of your 100% risk-free 30 days money back guarantee, if due to any reason you feel you're not satisfied or anything, you have 100% covered. Okay, so basically this was the Kingpin review. And here are some other frequently asked question, and here the guys Max, Ikubia, Bill, and Jake, and they are the one who creator for the Kingpin. And again, guys, so if you have any questions about the Kingpin, you can leave your question below in the comment section. I will get back to you. And then again, my recommendation, Kingpin is a good software and training which will help you to start monetize quickly from the Pinterest, right? And again, that's it. This was my review. Thank you so much for watching my review. If you have any question, feel free to leave a question down. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button and press the notification bell. And so at least next time you will make aware when I do any my review video. And I have some free training. Again, link is given below in the in this video training. Go and help yourself. Okay, so that's it. Thank you so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.